Have you ever watched someone who seems to glide through life with a strange sense of calm? Someone who never seems stressed about money, even though they do not earn anything extraordinary. Someone who appears to live like everyone else, yet somehow keeps more money, saves more money, and builds more freedom than the people around them. At first you think they must have some secret income source, some hidden advantage, some luck that you never got. But then when you actually pay attention, you realize something completely different. You notice that their life is built on tiny choices, the kind of choices most people ignore because they seem too small to matter. And yet these small choices add up like drops of water filling a jar. Today I want you to imagine following this person for a day and uncovering 22 of these unusual but effective habits. Habits that are simple enough for a child to understand, yet powerful enough to completely transform your financial life. These are not extreme tips. These are not painful sacrifices. They are subtle shifts that actually work. And as you hear each one, I want you to imagine how different your life could look in 1 year if you applied just 2 or 3 of them. So make sure to stay until the end. Leave a like and let's start. Tip 1. Adopt the live on less than you think mindset. This is one of the strangest tips because it sounds unrealistic at first. Years ago I heard something similar to this idea in a story. Imagine making $10 and trying to live on $1. Now of course nobody can do that and you don't need to. What matters is the mindset behind it. It makes you see spending differently. You begin asking yourself, what is essential and what is just noise? Suddenly you view your income as something to stretch, not something to burn. And this shifts your entire financial life. Even if you never reach that extreme, the attempt alone pulls you towards smarter decisions. This is the mindset that quietly builds freedom in the background, while everyone else wonders where their money disappears. Tip 2. Live off one income and treat every extra dollar as a gift to your future. Imagine 2 people who earn the same amount. One spends every raise, every bonus, every side hustle dollar. The other treats extra income like something sacred, something meant for savings or investments. These 2 people will look identical for the first year, maybe even the second. But 10 years later, they will live completely different lives. If you can survive on your main income and use everything else to build your future, your financial world starts to shift in ways that feel almost magical. This is not about deprivation. It's about using what you already have in a smarter, more intentional way. Tip 3. Use technology to save without trying. This is one of the easiest frugal habits because it requires no discipline. You simply use tools that quietly lower your expenses. Apps that check gas prices. Apps that search for coupon codes when you shop online. Apps that price compare for you. These tiny things feel almost irrelevant, but they stack up. Saving $5 here, $10 there, $40 there. Over a year, this becomes hundreds. Over a decade, this becomes thousands. Frugality works best when it requires no extra effort, and technology gives you exactly that. Tip 4. Join a buy nothing or local sharing group. Imagine needing something you'll use only once. Maybe a ladder, maybe a drill, maybe a stroller. Do you buy it or do you borrow it? A buy nothing group solves this question forever. You share what you don't use, and others share with you. You save money, you reduce waste. You meet people. You create a little ecosystem where spending becomes optional. These groups are one of the most underrated frugal tools because they do something no coupon can do. They eliminate the purchase entirely. Tip 5. Repair before you replace. This tip almost sounds too obvious, yet very few people follow it. We live in a world where upgrades come out yearly, and the pressure to buy new is constant. But repairing your clothes, fixing your laptop, maintaining your car, and using your phone until it truly fails can save you more than you can imagine. It shifts your identity from a consumer to a caretaker. And a caretaker spends far less money while appreciating the things they own much more deeply. Tip 6. Negotiate your bills like a professional. Here's something most people don't realise. The price you're paying for many services is not fixed. Your insurance, your internet, your phone plan, your subscriptions. These companies constantly raise their prices because they assume you will not check. But spending 1 hour comparing, switching, or negotiating can save you hundreds every year. 1 hour for several $100s. You will never find another job that pays this much for such little effort. And we'll go deeper in this topic in tip 14. Tip 7. Automate your savings before you can spend them. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month. This is why they never save enough. The secret is flipping it. Move the money the moment you get paid. Send it to savings or investments automatically. Don't rely on your discipline. Don't rely on your memory. Rely on the system you set up. This is one of the strongest frugal habits in the world because it protects you from your own impulses. It builds wealth behind the scenes, while your daily life stays exactly the same. Tip 8. Build a strong why behind your frugal lifestyle. This is the emotional backbone of everything. If you try to live frugally without a real purpose, you will burn out. You need a reason that pulls you forward. Freedom, travel, time with your children, leaving a stressful job, removing money anxiety forever. When your reason is strong enough, frugality doesn't feel like sacrifice. It feels like you are protecting your future self. Once your why becomes clear, your spending naturally aligns with your goals. Tip 9. Use bulk cooking to destroy the single biggest money leak. Food is a massive expense for almost every family, but it is also one of the easiest to control. Cooking in bulk might be the closest thing to a superpower in frugal living. When you plan your meals, cook large batches, freeze leftovers, and eat from what you prepared, something magical happens. You stop buying random things, you stop wasting food, you stop ordering takeout because you're tired. You save money, time, and stress all in one move. People underestimate how much food waste costs them. Bulk cooking solves that problem instantly. Tip 10. Change where you shop and never shop hungry. This sounds simple, but it is life-changing. Grocery stores can vary massively in price even when selling the same item. Sometimes the difference is 30 to 50%. The same product, the same brand, a completely different cost. Switching stores is one of the easiest ways to save hundreds per month without changing anything else. And shopping hungry is one of the fastest ways to run your wallet off a cliff. Hunger makes every unnecessary item seem like a brilliant idea. Eat first, shop second. Your bank account will thank you. Tip 11. Avoid paying for drinks. They are the silent money killer. This tip is tiny but unbelievably effective. Buying bottled water, buying soda, buying coffee every morning, buying drinks at restaurants. These are some of the highest profit items businesses sell, and when you remove them, your savings quietly multiply. Bring a bottle with you, drink water with meals, make your coffee at home. You will save thousands over time without feeling like you missed anything meaningful. Tip 12. Embrace minimalism as a silent money multiplier. Minimalism is not about empty rooms or white walls or living with one spoon and one plate. It is about finally understanding that most of the things you buy bring only a moment of excitement, followed by years of sitting on a shelf, stuffed in a drawer, hidden in a closet, or collecting dust in a corner you never look at. When you shift from buying to impress or buying to entertain your boredom, to buying only what truly adds value to your life, your spending naturally drops without you even trying. It feels almost effortless. Suddenly you look around and realize that the things you own are the things you actually use, and the things you use are the things that make your life easier. And once you experience this clarity, you will never want to go back to buying things just to feel something for 5 seconds. Minimalism reduces clutter, reduces stress, and eliminates so many pointless purchases that drain your wallet quietly every month. Tip 13. Use the 7-day, 30-day, or even 90-day waiting rule. This is one of the most powerful frugal tools ever invented because it forces your emotions and impulses to sit in the passenger seat instead of grabbing the steering wheel. When you see something you want to buy, whether it is a new pair of shoes or a gadget or a kitchen item you are convinced will change your life, you simply write it down and wait. 7 days for small things, 30 days for moderate things, 90 days for big things. What you will discover is almost magical. Most of the things you thought you desperately needed will simply fade from your mind during the waiting period. This rule saves money not by blocking purchases, but by exposing which desires were temporary illusions and which desires were genuine needs. And this simple pause can save you thousands over a year, all without restricting your lifestyle. Tip 14. Try no spend days, weeks, or even a full month reset. One of the fastest ways to break bad spending habits is to cut the cord for a short period of time. A no-spend day means buying absolutely nothing except true essentials. A no-spend week means cutting out all the small leaks like coffee runs, snacks, takeout meals, or late-night impulse purchases. And a no-spend month acts like a total system reset. It forces you to confront where your money actually goes, and it reveals how often you spend because of boredom or habit, rather than genuine need. The value of this tip is not just about saving money in the moment, but about reshaping your behaviour for the long term. After a month of intentional spending discipline, your habits, cravings, and daily routines shift. You return to normal life with a calmer mind, a cleaner wallet, and a deeper appreciation for what you already have. Tip 15. Track your money so you can finally control it. Most people think they know where their money goes, but almost no one actually does. When you start tracking your spending, even for 1 month, you will uncover purchases you forgot about, subscriptions that quietly renewed, small expenses that multiplied, fees you didn't notice, and patterns that you never realised were draining your budget. Tracking's not about judging yourself. Tracking is about awareness, because once you become aware, you can make strategic changes. You can eliminate unnecessary subscriptions. You can set limits on categories that keep spiralling. You can recognise which habits are helping you and which ones are quietly sabotaging your progress. Tracking is like turning on the lights in a room that was dark for years. Suddenly everything becomes clear, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Tip 16. Avoid fees at all costs. They are money leaks in disguise. Bank fees, late fees, convenience fees, ATM fees, subscription fees, accidental renewals. These tiny charges seem harmless when they show up individually, but when you add them up, they become a giant pile of money that disappears every year without giving you anything in return. The dangerous part is that most people never notice them because they are camouflaged inside your statements. But when you track your money consistently, you start noticing these tiny leaks, and the moment you notice them, you can eliminate them forever. Switching to fee-free accounts, turning off automatic renewals, avoiding ATMs that charge you, paying bills on time. These are simple habits that cost nothing and save a surprising amount of money. Eliminating fees is one of the easiest frugal wins in existence. Tip 17. Stay healthy to avoid the most expensive costs of all. Health is a financial asset that people underestimate until they lose it. Going to the doctor, dealing with medical bills, missing work, buying medications, getting treatments. Health problems can drain your finances faster than almost anything else. And while not every health issue is avoidable, many are influenced by habits you control. Eating well, staying active, sleeping enough, protecting your mental health, caring for your body. These are not just lifestyle choices, they are financial strategies. When you stay healthy, you save money not only today but for decades. And the beauty is that good health habits are often free or extremely cheap. Walking outside, cooking simple meals, cutting sugar, exercising at home, managing stress. These are low-cost habits with extremely high financial returns. Tip 18. Consider a smaller home or use. House hacking to reduce your biggest expense. Housing is the single largest expense for most people, sometimes eating up 30 or even 40% of a person's income. And because it is such a large expense, even small changes create massive results. Moving to a smaller home, choosing a slightly cheaper neighbourhood, or reducing unnecessary space can transform your financial life. And if buying a home is in your plans, house hacking is one of the most powerful strategies ever created. Renting out one part of your home, taking on a roommate, or using a duplex where one unit pays for the other reduces your housing costs dramatically, sometimes even to zero. And when your biggest expense disappears or shrinks dramatically, every other part of your financial life becomes easier overnight. Tip 19. Pay your mortgage twice a month to save interest long term. This tip feels almost too simple to make a difference, but it works because of how interest is calculated. Paying your mortgage once at the beginning of the month and once in the middle reduces the principal faster, which means less interest builds up. Over the course of a 30-year mortgage, this can save tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes even more. And you do not need to pay extra money. You are simply splitting your normal payment into 2 smaller payments. This strategy reduces your interest, shortens your repayment time, and gives you a long-term advantage that compounds quietly in the background. Tip 20. Invest in quality instead of buying cheap things over and over. Many people believe frugality means buying the cheapest version of everything, but this is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Cheap items break faster, wear out sooner, perform worse, and eventually cost more because you replace them repeatedly. True frugality means buying fewer things and buying better things. A high-quality jacket that lasts 10 years is cheaper per use than a cheap jacket that lasts 6 months. A well-made appliance that lasts a decade is cheaper than replacing a flimsy one every year. Quality is not about luxury. Quality is about long-term savings. When you shift your thinking from price tags to cost per use, your spending becomes smarter instantly. Tip 21. Change your dinner strategy to save money. While eating better, going out for dinner is one of the most common ways people quietly drain their money. The food often costs several times more than it would at home. The drinks are overpriced and the portions are smaller. Instead, consider inviting people over, cooking simple meals, or building dinner rituals that cost a fraction of the price, but taste better. Something as simple as a potato dinner, homemade pasta, or a large batch of soup can feed several people for the cost of one restaurant drink. When you change your dinner strategy, you do not just save money. You create memories, slow down your life, and reconnect with people in a more meaningful way. Tip 22. Learn basic DIY skills to avoid paying for simple fixes. You do not need to become a carpenter or an electrician, but learning how to fix simple problems yourself can save an unbelievable amount of money. Things like unclogging a drain, tightening a faucet, fixing a loose hinge, changing a light fixture, patching a wall, or assembling your own furniture are all extremely doable with basic tools and a quick tutorial. Most service calls cost hundreds of dollars just for someone to show up. But when you learn the simplest skills, you eliminate those costs entirely. DIY is not about being handy by nature. It is about trying, learning, experimenting, and realizing that most household problems are far easier than they look. In the end, living frugally is not about restriction or sacrifice. It is about finally seeing your life with clear eyes and realizing that every dollar you keep, every habit you shift, every unnecessary purchase you avoid becomes a tiny building block in the foundation of your freedom. These small choices, repeated over time, grow in ways that feel almost unreal, almost like compounding itself. You begin to understand, just like the rule of 72 teaches us, that little decisions can double into something much larger. And when you look back months or years from now, you will see that your transformation did not come from one dramatic moment, but from the quiet discipline that made your money finally listen to you instead of the other way around. So as you move forward, carry what you learned today into your everyday life. Start with one tip, or start with 3, and let them guide you gently into a new way of living. A calmer way, a lighter way, a way where money flows with purpose and your choices feel intentional instead of rushed. Because once these habits settle in, once frugal living becomes natural, you no longer feel like you are fighting against your finances. You feel like you are finally in control of them. And that is the moment when your life begins to shift, quietly but powerfully, toward the future you truly want. Subscribe to this channel, and if you want to go deeper in these financial topics, you have a full guidance in the video that will appear on your screen in the next few seconds, and I'll see you soon. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.